Just received our Blitz Strut Bar for the Mark X. Let's go put it on. Little instruction booklet. Cool little glossy Blitz sticker. Who doesn't love free stickers when buying Japanese stuff? And then, yeah, support warranty card. Alright, first up, as per instructions, we're going to remove the 6 nuts holding on each strut. I'm going to go one by one just to test fit, make sure we've got it the right way around. And we've got a 14mm impact socket here. There we go. Should be able to undo that by hand now. Beautiful. Carbon fiber intake still looks pretty nice. If you haven't watched that video already, go check it out. There's a little bracket here in the way, so I may have to take it out, but we'll see if we can do it without a little bit. Let's test with the other side. Yeah, same with this side. So there are 2 brackets on each strut that are stopping. Yeah. I'll show you. So there's this little bracket here, which I'm pointing to. It's actually stopping this from sitting on top. And there's the same one on this side. This one in there. So this doesn't actually sit because it's hitting this. So I think we're just going to need to remove both from each side. Alright, so after jamming my fingers and busting some skin, got it in, but this little box has to come out here. So you've got a bolt and a nut on the other side just to loosen it up, and it swings out of the way just enough so you can get this left strut on. So that's on. Let's move to the right side. Alright, almost same story with this side. So this bracket doesn't actually have to fully come off. You just loosen this bolt here enough so this can sort of move out of the way, and that drops right down underneath. So test fitment's right. A little bit of clearance between the bar and the engine cover. Looks great. Let's get it on tight. Alright, now just putting the strut nuts back on. Alright, lastly, we tighten these up, both sides. This thing is on and ready to go. Thanks for watching. Link to the strut bar is in the description. Hopefully this helps with your installation, or if you're on the fence between the Blitz and others like the Cusco brand. Alright, thanks for watching. Take care.